Okay, it finally came. My steering box, steering column, and new steering wheel from Eric out at Model A Medic out in Kansas. So I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I cannot wait to open this guy. Let's open her up. Like it's packaged really well. So this is for my 31 town sedan Helen. I had him rebuild the entire thing. Sent the entire thing out to him and told him, make it like new, baby. So here we go. Oh wow. Oh, it is so pretty, guys. There it is. Completely rebuilt, 2-sector steering box, column. Oh my gosh. So my column was worn. All my notches were worn here. So I told him, do whatever it takes. Can you hear this? Listen to this. Oh, this is gonna be so great. Oh, I cannot wait. I got a new horn rod. So he went over this whole thing, completely rebuilt it, painted it. It is ready to be bolted on and filled with oil. I'm ready to go. So look how beautiful this is. This is going to be amazing. So you know how they tell you that the your timing, if you time it with a little light with the leads on the breaker, the points should be 3 notches down is when that light comes on. If you watch any of Jack Baum's videos on YouTube, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is, oh my God, I'm so happy right now. You guys have no idea. The steering wheel that I had on the car was original, so there were a lot of cracks on it. I know that you can repair those and sand it and fix it back up, but I went ahead and had him send me a new one. So let's see what that guy looks like. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but that is gorgeous. I cannot wait to install all this. Shouldn't take too long to install, honestly. It came out of the car in about, I don't know, half an hour. If you actually have the radiator off and all that stuff. So all I did was basically pull it out of the, in between the pedals there, pulled the whole thing straight out. And that's how I'm going to insert that guy back in there. You can see I took the starter off to do that, but very simple. So here is my radiator and splash apron that I'm painting. And again, there's the steering box. So I'm super happy. I cannot wait to install this guy. A lot of thanks to Eric out in Kansas, Model A Medic. He does brakes, steering boxes, full restorations. Give him a call if you need it. Here's Helen again. Thanks, guys.